At Coloplast, we're working every day to deliver superior products and unmatched customer commitment. Part of that commitment is ensuring our ability to deliver world-class skincare products with complete reliability. We know that supply disruptions at healthcare facilities caused by international barriers or a reliance on outsourced materials can have a major impact on patient care, internal processes, and costs. We also recognize that prioritizing U.S. manufacturing of healthcare-related products is critical to a dependable supply chain. That's why Coloplast manufactures our skincare products in the heart of America in Mankato, Minnesota. We've been a fixture in the community since 1989, manufacturing innovative skincare products like cleansers, moisturizers, protectants, and antifungals. Our 9.2-acre facility is Coloplast-owned, spans 108,000 square feet, and is staffed with nearly 100 dedicated employees, averaging almost 10 years of experience each. Every step of our production process is fully compliant with FDA and Health Canada requirements for OTC, cosmetics, medical devices, and pharmaceuticals. Applying over 30 years of industry experience, Coloplast now delivers 1.8 million units of skincare products to customers across North America every week. From this US-based facility, each product is made with a scientific rigor to ensure safety, reliability, and exceptional quality. Our innovative approach applies science to simple ingredients to manufacture state-of-the-art skincare clean and free of harmful preservatives. And all of our ingredients meet the strict quality standards of regulatory bodies like the United States Pharmacopeia that specify high levels of purity, testing requirements, and production guidelines. From our ingredients to our bottling and packaging, we are proud to source from U.S. suppliers and own the entirety of the manufacturing process, which allows us to deliver on our promise of providing superior skincare that you can rely on to optimize outcomes for your patients. Coloplast, scientifically simple skincare, made and delivered reliably right from the heart of America.